chemical reactions, we can write magnesium as a solid, oxygen as a gas, and magnesium oxide as a solid. When 2 mole of the hydrogen gas reacts with the 1 mole of the oxygen gas to form 2 mole of the water liquid. The another types of the chemical reaction is decomposition reactions. When larger molecules break into 2 or more smaller molecules, it is also example of the endothermic reactions. When 2H2O electrolysis undergoes, when electricity is passed through water molecule, it can break into the hydrogen and oxygen. The volume of hydrogen and oxygen is 2 is to 1. That means it forms 2 liter of the hydrogen and 1 liter of the oxygen. When lead nitrate is heated, 2 PbNO3 whole twice, it will form 2 PbO plus 4 NO2 plus O2. Physical states of this substance is written. When 2 mole of the ferrous sulfate, that is also called the green vitriol, when it is written, then when heat is supplied to the reactant side, it will form ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxides. Third type of the chemical reaction is displacement reaction. When more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from the compound, is called displacement reactions. Zinc is more reactive when zinc dust is added in the copper sulfate solution, whose color is the blue color. That is the aqueous in nature. Then zinc is more reactive, displaces copper from the copper sulfate, and the color of the zinc sulfate becomes colorless and copper is formed. When magnesium metal is added in the ferrous sulfate aqueous solution, magnesium sulfate is formed and ferrous metal is deposited. So such type of the reactions are called the displacement reactions. Double displacement reaction. It is exchange of the positive and negative ions from the two compounds in their aqueous state. For example, when sodium chloride is mixed with the silver nitrate, then positive ion of the sodium chloride, that is the sodium, reacts with the negative ion of the silver nitrate, that is the nitrate ion. So the compound form will be the sodium nitrate and white precipitate of silver chloride. Then another examples are when ferrous sulfate aqueous is treated with barium chloride aqueous BaCl2, then it will form barium sulfate precipitate and ferrous chloride is formed. It can be written as A plus B minus aqueous plus C plus D minus aqueous.